Hi, everybody. I've been toying with the idea of making some videos about my local neighborhood here in Chengdu, and that sort of led to um, some discussions of housing in China. And so I'm sort of making some videos about the real estate market in Chengdu specifically. I'm not really sure how this is going to take shape. Maybe we'll have a couple videos about it. Maybe it'll be a series. I don't know how much interest there is in it. But to me, it's pretty fascinating. There's certainly a housing bubble in China. Owning a house is sort of a requirement socially, culturally, for younger Chinese people, and so a great deal of thought and investment is put into houses, and the way in which where you can buy a house, who can buy a house, how the house is purchased, very, very different than the United States. And so I think it's worthwhile to spend a little bit of time talking about it. So again, I'm not really sure where this is going to fit in the series, so maybe some of this information will be repetitive, but whatever. So we're starting in the middle, we'll work our way around. This video is going to be really some pictures of my new house here in Chengdu, and pictures of a luxury villa right next door to our house. So most Chinese people live in an apartment that's around 90 square meters to 110 square meters or smaller. And we recently, my family and I, my wife and her parents, purchased a piece of property. Actually, it's not recently, about 2 years ago. Purchased a piece of property about 10 minutes from our current apartment where my wife and I live. And it's a townhouse, what in China people call a villa. People don't live in houses in China unless they're farmers, right? And they have a farmhouse. So this is a townhouse condominium style living, and the particular housing development where we bought the house we bought it's completely stripped inside. So there's nothing inside. You essentially build it custom to what you want. And so our house is very nearly done, and we'll probably be moving in late this summer. And so I had a bunch of pictures in my phone from all the times I've gone over there and I don't supervise the workers. My wife supervises the workers. I just go in and take pictures and say, oh, it looks good. Because I can't talk to them about what I want them to do. So I've taken pictures when I'm there. My wife's taken pictures when she's there, and I sort of compiled those in sort of a quick photo essay following. And then after that, last week we went in and she showed me this very, very expensive corner unit that's still under construction, and it's just, it's beautiful. So a little video tour of that. Happy to answer some questions in the comments, and again, I'll be posting more videos about the huge transformation of my own neighborhood here in Gaoxingqu on Tianfu 2nd Road in southern Chengdu. I'll be talking a lot about that. So I'll post some pictures, a picture essay and some videos in the future, hopefully, about that as well. So enjoy this short video of my new house and some really, really, really super rich guy's house. So thanks for watching as always, and don't forget to subscribe at the end. So these are some very early pictures of when we first bought this piece of property and had the workers coming in to sort of do some basic stuff. And one of the interesting things is that the middle of the house, which you're going to see coming up in a picture, this is our kitchen, by the way, the middle of the house had a big open section coming up in this next photo right here. That dark area there, which is where our bathrooms are now, was actually open to the sky in all of these houses. A very strange thing. So it's closed in now. Here you can see our bedroom looking out, and this is our backyard from the second floor. And here's some more recent pictures. This is the backyard now. We're getting close to being a real backyard. This is our basement bathroom. We'll have a Chinese toilet in there. This is our kitchen, now completed, almost. Well, getting there, not really completed yet. As you can see, our front porch. And there's also still another shot of our first floor kitchen. Bathroom's getting completed slowly but surely. You can see our bedroom almost finished. We're excited about this. This is our bedroom as well. It's a 4-floor house We've added a fourth floor into the attic. We finished the attic. I don't have any pictures of that, unfortunately, because I won't climb up the horribly dangerous stairs to get up there yet. And here we're almost at the point of being finished. Our backyard again, and our first floor. Again, this is looking straight through. That raised area is actually what used to be open to the sky. And our kitchen, finally, as well, all complete. And a couple pictures of our recently finished bedroom. So this next bit here is a house, again, across the street from our current house, or across the alley, that my wife saw and just thought was amazing. So we took a little video tour of the property, which you can see here. This is a really expensive house. It's about twice the price of our current house. So it's in terms of the finished price. Pretty amazing, pretty luxurious lifestyles of the rich and famous in China. So anyway, again, enjoy. So this is my neighbor's house. It's under construction. Our house is right there across the trees there. This is going to be a huge koi pond with a filtration system. I'm going to do a video here. We don't know these people, but their workers have let us in. They don't really care. So this is their house under construction now. Take a little tour here. Living room. Labor in China is very cheap. Yeah. So they've installed an elevator in their house, which is a great idea. So the thing to remember about China is that labor is very, very cheap. So what's expensive is the materials.
They change a lot for this house. Before
Yeah.
it's totally different, like this, you know. It's
Right.
totally different. There has a room I like it very much.
Walk-in closets. This place is what, maybe two
Maybe
times?
the
Two times?
master- This is master room, I think.
Yeah. Bathroom. This place is maybe twice the size of our house.
Yes.
It's a corner lot in this
Yes.
complex.你觉得多少钱这个房子
Double price.
Price.
Of our,
多少钱
more than 400, 400, 400万。
400万
More than, maybe 500万。
500万
I don't know the price of house now. Oh, I think this is master bedroom.
So this is the third floor.
But you know, baby, I like this room very much.
来了
Even this room very small.
Oh yeah, this is a very classic. Oh, this walk-in closet. Jeez, wow. I thought my walk-in closet was exciting. This is a freaking walk-in closet. Let me tell you.
I like this room very much.
This is like a very I like this. This is a like very like Italian look. It's supposed to be like an Italian. Yeah,
They build
this
like
is a-
this. They build like this. Before it's totally different.
yeah. This is awesome room. Yeah, this is
I
great.
like this room very much. You know,
Oh yeah.
it's a window very low, and the trees around this room. I like this.
Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. The outside facade of this house is crazy too.
Yeah. I will show you crazy things too. You will see how crazy this owner.
Oh wait, there's another floor.
Yes. Let me do this.
Outside.
So I don't think I have this.
This is a sun deck outside. So you can pretty much do whatever you want with these
Yes,
houses.
yes.
Right. You can pretty much.
He do everything he wants for this house.
Yeah.
This is the roof. They build the roof. I'm very jealous. They printed the vegetable on the
roof.
on the roof.
Wow, they got the whole roof.
Yes. We have no roof like this.
And there's our
This
place.
here has a secret roof. That's our neighbor.
That's our house.
This is a vegetable.
Yeah.
You can eat now.
Don't play with their plants. All right. So.
All right.
Go out through the basement. I want to film that.
So for American house, you can do like this. You can change a lot.
Yeah, you can. You can.
You can.
It's just usually you buy it already built.
But you will spend a lot of money to build this.
Right. In America, this would cost.
More than a house, maybe.
Yeah. Careful. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You know me.
Watch your.
I am, but you're. I don't like the nose.
That elevator I like very much.
Yeah.
For the future, that's important. This is the first floor. They have big desk here too.
Is that their kitchen? Is that thing in the basement?
No, kitchen is there. I'm surprised the kitchen very small. When my parents, when my came here with my mother.
This is their kitchen?
Yeah, very small.
Yeah, they're small.
I think that for dining room.
Yeah.
Oh, freezer room.
I don't care. This is the front entrance here. All right, let's go out through the basement.
Big parking garage.
Yeah. And then this is, yeah, no, you know, not too much to worry about in the way of housing codes. So they just dug out underground this room.
This is a good for cinema.
Yeah. So this maybe would be for a movie room.
Movie room.
But they just built this into the ground. They just decided, you know. So you can pretty much do whatever you want. You buy the piece of property, it's a skeleton, and then you hire your workers, you buy your stuff, and here you go. Your house is complete.
So after we came visit here with my mother, we said, oh, this is a rich house. Our house is a
Poor. So from the outside
yeah.
and the side.
They design like Europe style.
Yeah, it's French or
French,
Italian or
yes.
Italian or Spanish a little bit.
Yes, it's pretty. But you know, I mean, I don't like this too classic
Yeah.
style.
So you can see the facade. You're on film. So.
Oh, you want to show the Chinese style?
Yeah. So, again, each of these houses, these folks decided to go with something that looks very rustic Chinese, like a village, Chinese village. But this is the back alley.
This is another one.
Yeah.
Another house.
Yeah, no, I know. So everybody sort of does their own thing back here. This is our poor house here that we're so happy with, but now we see that, I think, oh. And this is our uncle's house right here. He lived here for a while, right next door. And again, this is about 10-minute drive from our current place in Gaoxingqu. Hi, is this Gaoxingqu still or no?
Yeah. No.
Or Shuangliao. It's Shuangliao.
But very close downtown.
Right. So this is not the high-tech zone. And so this, I believe all these houses are the same families live here because they got the same back. So that tells me this is all the same family.
Maybe. I don't know.
I mean, maybe different families, but like brothers or something like that, uncles. Unless they all just said, "Oh, I really love that fence. I didn't get it." This is another corner unit here. Very nice. This neighborhood was built when?
More than 10 years ago.
Yeah. So there you go. Very quiet for Chengdu city living, almost like you're living in the country, but so we are a 5-10 minute drive right now, but once the construction's all done around here, probably a 5-minute drive from our current house. The shopping malls and everything like that. And this area of Shuangliao, which is sort of a town that's part of Chengdu, but not, it's like a neighborhood of Chengdu. That's where the airport is. Huge area, Shuangliao, is about to get built up. So.